14 years ago, a boy suffered from the problem of autism. He couldn't speak nor say any single word. His parents narrate that they went to different medical doctors, spiritual doctors, and traditional healers in search of solution, but to no avail. They decided to visit Johannine Apostolic Church of All Nations. There, they met a heavenly sent man of God, a prophet of our generation, Prophet Gynancio. He prayed for the child. Just after a single touch, let us watch what really transpired.
Dumela Peter wa modimo. Ke letsatsi la mela bobedi mo kerekeng ya moruti o motono gape le game ha. Mme ke itumela le ke le go batla ka mo letsatsi la bobedi mosimane mo kgona go tshale lentswe. Ke gona mo ke go thoka hela ga ke tlhoke space se ntse ya kgona go bua leina la papa kana mama.
Look at the mother, she can't even control it.
Are you the father? Are you not sure? Say Papa.
Papa.
Say Mama.
Some of the congregants were really touched by this wonderful miracle as they witnessed the greatness of God.
I've never seen a wonder like this in my life. I've been to hospitals. I'm a motivational speaker by profession as well. I've been to hospitals where we pray for these children. I've never seen a testimony like this. I am
that is only faith can work. With really blessing.
That is my sister and his husband with the kid. I invited her to come or just go to the church because we have gone to so many places. But then if you can come just with your faith, everything will be well. Thank you.
Moruti.
Say Malome.
Morris.
Bagwan.
Welcome to Apostolic Church of All.
After 14 years, the child could not talk.
What a transforming testimony. The parents were so touched after hearing their boy talking for the first time. What a God we serve.